Hey guys, this is your time to get ready with me to go to the Mavericks game. As you see, I'm wearing this Dallas shirt. It's 41 and it's Nowitzki. And I'm wearing my black tights with my toes painted and my hand match it. So I really love that, and it matches the mask color. It should have been just a little bit more darker. It would have matched it, but yeah. So as you see, I already took my shower. I already brushed my teeth. I already made up my bed. So the next thing to do is get out this huge thing, and this is all filled with like my perfumes and hand sanitizers and lotions and body washes and stuff like that. I can't deal with it, so a lot of it. So I'm just going to be using this Mad About You Fine Fragrance Mist Bath & Body Works, and it's 8 fluid ounces and 236 milliliters. Milliliters like little drops. So I'm just going to spray this.